Vande Mataram to all. As we stand on the cusp of the final exams, I want to take a moment to appreciate the immense dedication and hard work each one of you have put in your academic journey. The road to this moment has been filled with late night study sessions, challenging assignments, and perhaps moments of self-doubt. Yet here you are, on the threshold of a defining chapter, that is your final exams. In these crucial moments, I want to emphasize the power of belief. Believe in the knowledge and the skills you have acquired. Picture the life you want to lead, the impact you want to make, and let that vision fuel your determination. Life is giving you opportunities that will teach you resilience and capacity to overcome. I would like to share in brief the journey of life of one of the famous surfer, life coach, and author, Bethany Hamilton. Anybody has heard about of Bethany Hamilton? She is an author of 3 books. The books are Soul Surfer, Be Unstoppable, Rise Above. Her life journey has been very, it had a lot of ups and downs. She was practicing surfing in Hawaii when she was 13 years old. And on the same day, her father was in operation theater. He had to go for a knee surgery. But that was later in the evening, so her mother decided that she should go for surfing in the morning so that she can cool herself because she was tensed because of her father's surgery. She went for surfing with her friend and her friend's father and brother. When she was surfing, she was attacked by tiger shark. And the tiger shark ripped off her left arm. And her friend's father could save her, but she had lost 60% of her blood. And any person in these normal conditions will come to cardiac arrest. But because of her physical fitness and resilience, she could survive that attack. And then she was brought to the hospital. And imagine the operation table which was booked for her father. She was on that operation table. And the doctor doing the surgery for her father, he was doing the surgery for her. So that was the day she had to face. But just imagine that after undergoing surgery, where she had lost her left arm, she came back within 24 days with her resilience and determination because she had some aspirations and she had some beautiful dreams for herself. So within 24 days of surgery, she was back, and people suggested her that she can join the surfing of disabled people, but she was not ready to give in. She continued working on her surfing skills and practiced surfing with right hand because she had to hold that, on a surfing board, there is a clip which has to be held with the hand, and with the other arm, one has to push the water backward. But since she had only one arm now, so she had to do both things together. So this is how she trained herself, and she competed after 2 years in 2005. She competed with the abled people, and then she won the National Scholastic Surfing Competition. And the takeaway from her life is, she says that I do not want life to be easy. I want life to be possible. So that is the key point which was motivating her. And with her resilience, today she's 34 years old and she is a life coach and she's training the children for the surfing competition. Dear children, believe in the power of consistency. She was consistent, so she could do it. Success is not an overnight phenomena, but a result of persistent effort over time. Break your study sessions into small, manageable targets, and after you complete those tasks or targets, appreciate yourself. Children, wherever life plants you, bloom with grace, because life is a marathon, it's not a sprint. Thank you.